How's that for a line hit, baby? Playing 30 cents. 30 lines, minimum bet. Chasing that up there. See if we can get both. $2.50 a line. That's well over 100 now. Come on, baby. Get that up there while you're at it. Whew. We're gonna hit 200x? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hit 200. 200x. Boom. Oh, we didn't get it. Not bad though. 200x. How's that for a line hit, baby? Pirate ship. 30 lines times 3. Woo. That is sexy. 90-cent bet. So far, 50x. Yep. Keep going, baby. Oh, don't stop. Don't stop. Not bad. 57 bucks and 90 cents. Here we go, baby. I got a small little line hit on a 90-cent bet, and I hit the minor. How you doing, Mr. Minor Jackpot? Boom shakalaka. Not bad. $55 on 90 cents. Not too shabby.